Hello Moms. Today I am doing Google's most searched questions on autism. Will my autistic child ever talk? Definitely. Irrespective of the symptoms, irrespective of the degree and severity of the autism, every autism child deserves to talk. Only when it is catered with listening skills based approach. Can autism be cured? Autism is not a disease that will get cured, but definitely the most devastating traits of autism, they can get cured, they can get modified, they can get better with the right approach in the right direction. Is speech delay always autism? Certainly not. Speech delay is caused by various conditions, including neurological, medical, and psychological conditions too, other than autism. Why doesn't my child respond to their name? Simply because the age-appropriate listening skills are not developed in the child. What are the first signs of autism? Speech delay may be a very significant sign of autism, but before that, deep developmental milestones should be taken care of. The delay in social smile, which comes around 8 weeks of the age after the birth, is also a very important sign. Then signs such as hyperactivity, lack of sustained eye contact, then no response to name, social interaction or social skills not getting developed. And in general, there is no urge of speaking within the child. These are some of the important symptoms. Can autism be diagnosed before age 2? The official diagnosis of autism takes place at around 3 years of age. But before that, looking at the delayed milestones, one can predict or one can think of the child being on autism spectrum. Because early intervention should always begin as you start noticing the delays in the child and should not wait till the official diagnosis takes place. Does screen time cause autism? Well, I will not say screen time causes autism, but definitely autism is a condition which is present since the birth. And that can get aggravated. The symptoms, the devastating traits of autism, they can get aggravated if the screen time is given to the child passively, when the child is exposed to passive screen time. Which therapy is the best for autism? Certainly, an approach, the therapy, based completely on listening skills development and evoking urge of communication within the child and fostering excellent communication and bonding. This therapy is definitely going to be much helpful in autism. How can I help my autistic child speak? Speech is the byproduct of good listening. Make your child a very good listener, because a good listener eventually becomes a good speaker. Can autistic children go to normal school? Special school is not the destination for autistic child. Every autistic child deserves to get included in the mainstream education and study with other neurotypical children around him.